Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel. We still explain how to use Signal Private Messenger step by step. Today we will learn how to enable dark appearance on Signal app. Let me show you how can we do that. Click on Signal app icon. Press on three dots with showing on top right. Click on Setting. Scroll down till we get Appearance. Click on Theme. Here you can change theme from light to dark. Let's press on Dark. Now you will find that appearance is changed to dark mode. If you want to go back to light, press again to Theme and press on Light. Now it is changed to light. That's all. If this is your first time you're watching my videos, please make sure to hit subscribe to get all new videos. Also consider like, share and comment. We will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.